occupation. What is an occupation? ठीक है, what is an occupation? This questions comes is in your mind or not? This question will come is in your mind or not, that what is an occupation? So my dear students, occupation means, see, I will give you a small example so you can understand nicely. Right? Occupation means whatever work is done by your parent, that is called occupation. है ना? अब simply that everybody has a fixed daily routine. Everybody has a fixed daily routine. Are you agree with me? Am I clear? Am I right? Okay. Why I am telling you this? Because see, every morning your parent, all the family members waking up, है ना? Then they are doing their regular routine work. If your mama is a working woman, then only she has to do the household work. ठीक है? If your papa is a businessman, then what he will do daily? He will go to the shop, he will go to the office, है ना? If your papa is a government employee, then it is a fixed time to go to office and it is a fixed time to come back home from office, है ना? So this is a daily routine which every parent is following, ठीक है? अब tell me one thing, give me an answer of this question, that have you ever think why people are doing occupation? Have you ever think that why people are doing occupation? What is the reason behind doing the occupation? What is the main motto to do any work, to do any job? What is the main motto? Can you give me the answer? Can you think the answer of this question, why people are doing occupations? Yes, I will give you answer that people are doing occupation. People are doing occupation to earn money. To earn money. ठीक है, people are doing occupation to earn money. Why money is needed to us? Why money is needed to us? Why money is required for us? है ना? Suppose you have any demand and you always tell your demands and you always keep your demands in front of your parents and asking them for buying new things, new toys, new accessories, है ना? And so many things. So from where you will get all these things? Yes, you will get all these things in the market only. And without wallet, can your papa go to the market? Without money, can your mama? Without purse, without keeping the money in the purse, can your mama go to the market? Can you go to the chocolate shop to get the chocolate without money? No, my dear students. Each and is a work which we all human beings are performing in our day-to-day life. So hope you understand the meaning of occupation. Suppose your parent will ask you which chapter is going on in EVS. So you can tell that chapter number 5, our occupation. Suppose your father asks you that, can you tell me, dear, my dear child, what is the meaning of occupation? So now, are you in a position to give the answer to your papa? Are you in a position to satisfy your papa with your answer? So occupation means people are doing some work. People are doing some work to earn money. Some work to earn money. That is called an occupation. And occupation is a work. Occupation is a job which everybody perform to earn money. And that is our day-to-day. That is our daily routine. That is our daily routine of the life. That is our daily routine of the life. See your papa, if your papa is working in an office, he is a government employee, he daily go to the office except Sunday or holidays. If your father is a businessman, if your father has a shop, then in the morning, sharp 10 o'clock or before 10 o'clock, your papa reach to the shop, and at late night he will come back. So occupation means a work which people are performing to earn money, and that is the part of their day-to-day life, that they are performing every day, that they are performing this work, this job every day. Okay? Understand about the meaning of the occupation? My dear students, money is very much needed, very much required for everybody. Money is very much needed, very much required for everybody. है ना? So our occupation is actually our job. Our occupation is our occupation is our job. And our occupation is our job which we all are performing in our day-to-day life. Which we all are performing in our day-to-day life. To earn money. To earn money. ठीक है? अब this much you can understand? Understand? Okay, now I am going to rub it and I will write some names of the occupation. ठीक है? I am going to write the names of some more occupations over here. Different people are doing the different type of job. The different types of job. ठीक है? Understand? So, job treats us. So when we all are not sick, we all are fall sick, not well, so we will go to the doctor, and doctor, who is the person who treats us, who write the prescription to us, and that prescription we follow and we will get well. Okay? So number one, doctor. Number one, doctor. है ना? A doctor treats sick people. है ना? Number two is nurse. Number two is nurse. Up, who is nurse? Who is nurse? Nurse is a kind of helping hand of a doctor. है ना? Nurse is a kind of helping hand of a doctor. Whatever prescription is decided is written by the doctor. That prescription is followed by the nurse. That prescription is followed by the nurse, because nurse always treat the sick people, but that treatment she cannot do by herself. She cannot do by herself. She has to follow the instructions of doctor. Whatever doctor instruct to a nurse, that instructions needs to be followed by a nurse. Needs to be followed by a nurse, right? ठीक है? So I'm going to discuss about all these things. You will think on these things, right? Okay, hope you think about these two occupations. Now, next is chemist. Next is number three, chemist. Can you tell me who is chemist? Can you tell me who is chemist? Yes, a chemist is a person who gives us medicines. Whatever medicines written by the doctor, that are medicines given by a chemist. Chemist means a medical wala bhaiya, है ना? Chemist means a medical wala bhaiya. Usually we all are using this in the word medical wala bhaiya, है ना? So that medical wala bhaiya is chemist in English. So chemist is also a job. Chemist is also a occupation, है ना? Have you seen that during this pandemic, during this coronavirus time, this chemist work was very, very difficult, because there are so many patients. There are so many patients, and they did not have actually the proper medicines. So sometimes engineer. So again, engineer is design a house. Engineer is a person who design your house, who build a house. See, engineer is not only a person who design your house, is not only a person who build your house. Engineer is a person actually who can build a big bridge and a big multis, big what I can say that big over bridge है ना. जो भी बड़े ब्रिज नदियों पर बनाए जाते हैं, बड़े पुल जिसको आप हिंदी में बोलते हो, जो बनाए जाते हैं, that all big bridge, that all, see, have you ever visited on that unity, statue of unity? Yes, that statue of unity is the biggest statue in all over the world, and that statue is made by all the engineers. So we can say that it is not only, we can say that engineer is not only a person who build a house, who plan for your house. Engineer is a person who can construct anything, who can design anything, who can construct anything. ठीक है? Now number 5th, teacher. Number 5th, teacher. So yes, teachers, so you can understand very nicely. Teacher is a person who teaches you. Teacher is a person who teaches you in the school or rather than school be. Now right now, so after means during 17 months there is no school in the school. है ना? There is no schooling in the school. There is no teaching going on in the school. But teachers are still teaching. So teacher is a person who teach to the students. Right? Now then, number 6, postman. Yes, postman is a person who brings letter for you. Postman is a person who are doing job in post office, and from post office they are collecting all the letters, they are making them separate according to their colonies, according to their gullies and mohallas and cities and towns, and they are distributing your letters, your parcels. ठीक है? Your what I can say, some names are skipping from my mind right now. Okay, so postman is a person who is distributing the letters and the parcels to the common man, to the people. Right? And now number 7, policeman. Number 7, policeman. So who is policeman? What is the work of a policeman? So policeman is a person who maintain the law and order in your city. Whatever law and order is given by the government, that law and order has to be maintained, is in your city, is in your town, is in your village. That is the responsibility of a policeman. That is the responsibility of a policeman. ठीक है? Now I am going to write the name of the farmer. Number 8, farmer. Number 8, farmer. So farmer, again, about the farmers and about the farming, we are going to discuss so many things in this chapter about the farmers and about the farming. All those things we are going सामान, and grocer is a person who provide us the grocery, ठीक है. So here then उसके बाद है pilot number 10. See, there are so many occupations is in the world, is in our country, is in our city, but I have chosen some important things and I am discussing on those things only. अब है pilot. Pilot is a person who what? Pilot doing what? Yes, pilot is yes, pilot is a person who can fly your aeroplane, है ना? If you are using the air transports, so pilot is a person who can make you reach to your destiny, ठीक है. So aeroplane में जो हवाई यात्रा करते हैं, as like bus driver, as like train drivers, pilot is also a kind of driver of aeroplane, ठीक है. So my dear students, I am hoping that you all are understood by the meaning of occupation and some names of occupation today I shared with you. Up it's time to do the recapitulation of all the chapter. When we will meet in the next class, we start learning about the chapter, ठीक है. So can anybody tell me what is occupation, why people are doing occupation, what kinds of occupation is doing by the persons, doing by the common man, doing by the people? So yes, I am going to give the answer on behalf of you that we all need many services in our daily life. We all need many types of services in our daily life, है ना? Sometimes we get near and our houses. See, some services though we can get near our houses. Like sometimes it is happening that dhobi wala, press wala bhaiya shop is near to your house, that aata pisane wali chakki is near to your house, and that the grocery shop is near to your house, है ना? Some facilities are near to your house and some facilities are very far from your house, or we can say that some facilities are available in the market only, ठीक है. So different types of people, they are doing different jobs. Different types of people, they are doing different work, they are doing different jobs. Now this is clear to you that whatever work is doing by the people, that work is doing to earn the money, to get the money, पैसा कमाने के लिए whatever work is doing by the people, that work became the job of that person. See, I am a teacher, I am working in this school, in Gokuldas Public School, and this is my job, है ना? I am a teacher, this is my job. I am working in Gokuldas Public School, ठीक है? And my job became my occupation. My job became my occupation, and occupation is a work which person does. Occupation is a work which a person does to earn money, and that occupation, that job, that work is their day to day, is their daily routine, है ना? Is their daily routine, and we have to follow our daily routine, ठीक है. So different types of people are doing different jobs and work to earn money, that convert into the job, and job became your occupation, that person does, ठीक है. So this is the definition of the occupation, and I share some which is related with this chapter. ठीक है? So till then it's time to say bye bye from my side. Bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless you. Take care of yourself.